17 Forest River Vibe storage compartment, awning, slide out, second awning. Also comes with wheel covers for both sides. Got the table versus the booth because you can actually remove it, put it outside underneath the awning, and make that a sleeping space with an air mattress. These recliners lay flat for 2 other sleeping areas. This is a pull-out couch for 2 more sleeping spots. Full-size refrigerator, stays cold en route, pulls power off the battery. There's also storage underneath the sink here. Storage above the couch, storage above the chairs. Including a small TV and small TV mount to go here on the wall in the bedroom. It's already pre-wired for cable. Cable hookups on the back as well. Just hanging baskets inside both the wardrobe areas here. And on this side, there's actually a laundry chute. Goes into the storage area from the outside. Skylight and fan above the toilet. She's awesome. Only camped in 6 times. Love her. We'll miss her. It's time to downsize here.